I know that you already know that deep conditioning your natural hair is one of the essential and very important factors for growing a thicker and stronger hair strands. So what do you do if you can't afford a deep conditioner? Worry no more, because I'm here to show you how to go about that in just a minute. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Joy and you're welcome. Thanks for clicking on today's video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for subscribing and also engaging my content. But if you're watching this video and you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit that subscribe button on your screen, subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to hit that like button as well. So let's jump right into today's video. So with this method I'm going to be showing you now, you don't ever have to worry about buying a deep conditioner or having to spend more money on deep conditioners. I personally have never bought a deep conditioner before in my almost 2 years of growing my natural hair to this point. All you need is just your favorite rinse out conditioner, and it doesn't matter if it's a cheap one or a DIY, any rinse out conditioner is fine. Then secondly, you need some hair oil. It can be coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, or any other oil of your choice. All you need is just to pour a specific amount of the rinse out conditioner on a bowl. Of course, the quantity depends on the size of your hair. Once you've done that, then add in 1 or 2 spoons of your oil into your conditioner. I did not measure that, but I just eyeballed it since I'm already used to the quantity that I need for my hair. Mix them thoroughly and you should have a thick consistency like that of a store-bought deep conditioner. Even if the rinse out conditioner is not slippery, the oil you've added also gives it some amount of slip, which should enable you to detangle your hair without stress. So you need to section your hair into 2, 3, or 4 sections and then apply this deep conditioner to every section, making sure that each strand of hair is well coated with this deep conditioner. So I already had my hair in some twist, and this was how I washed my hair. Of course, you want to start off with a freshly washed hair. You cannot deep condition your hair when you haven't shampooed your hair. So what I did was just to combine a few of those twists together to form a large twist. So I'm just applying my deep conditioner to this section, and also, like I always say, concentrate on your ends. This is to strengthen your hair. Deep conditioners help you to strengthen your hair, make your hair less prone to breakage. So you want to concentrate on the ends of your hair, knowing fully well that is the oldest part of your hair. So I like to go in with a little extra on the ends of my hair. So if you have been watching my video, my moisturizing video, I always focus on the ends of my hair. I add more products to the ends of my hair. So this is the time when you want to detangle your hair using a white tooth comb or a soft brittle brush. But what I did, like if you've been watching my videos, all I usually do is just to finger detangle my hair. So I don't use a comb. I've not used a comb for some months now, and all I just do is just to finger detangle and then I twist that section back up. So what you just concentrate on is, while applying and coating that section with your conditioner, you want to make sure you're removing every shaded hair so that they don't tangle up with the rest of your hair. The slip in the deep conditioner helps you to easily glide through any shaded hair. So it's very easy. As you're sliding your hands down, that section, you are also pulling out every shaded hair you've had on. So that's what I just basically do. Use my finger detangle, remove shaded hairs, and then I twist that section back up. Then I go over to the next section, apply, just repeat the same process until I coat every section of my hair with that deep conditioner. Like I said, deep conditioning your hair on every wash day helps you to strengthen your hair, It also helps with the elasticity of your hair. Our 4C kind of hair is always prone to shrinkage, but trust me, if your hair stretches and bounce back to its original state, then you should know that that is one of the signs of knowing that your hair is in a very healthy state. So as you can see, look at the coils. My coils are just popping. Each strands are well coated with the conditioner. And also note that you're not applying this conditioner to your scalp. No, do not apply conditioner to your scalp. Whether it's a rinse out conditioner, a deep conditioner, or a leave-in conditioner, you're not supposed to apply it to your scalp. It's meant for your hair strand. It's meant to strengthen your hair strand. It's meant to help your hair strand to be able to withstand breakage. It's meant to help with the elasticity of your hair strands. That's all. It's not meant for your scalp. Oils are meant for your scalp. Water is good for your scalp, but conditioner is not good for your scalp. It can be irritating. It can cause your hair to itch because of what it's usually made of. Or even if it's a DIY conditioner, please don't apply it on your scalp. So I just go around and do this and twist my hair back up, and before I cover it up with a plastic cap. So another very important tip to note, especially if you're low porosity hair type, you want to use heat to help this deep conditioner you've just applied to your hair to sink deep into every strands of your hair. If you're not using heat to help it to soak into your hair, then this will just be like wasting your conditioner, because all those products is going to just sit on your hair and not do anything at all. So if you really want to see any significant result in using a deep conditioner on your hair, then you need heat to help it to penetrate better into your hair strands. And by heat, I don't mean using hot equipment like hair dryers and all that. What I mean is that you can use a plastic cap, you can use a heated cap that will not damage your hair. Personally, I like to use a plastic cap because what I just do is just cover my hair with a plastic cap and just give it like minimum of 30 minutes and everything is soaked right into my hair strands. So that's all you need to know concerning this deep conditioning process. Now you see, you don't have to stack up your cabinets with different kinds of conditioners, all in the name of deep conditioning your hair. So all you just need is just one conditioner, one rinse out conditioner, and a hair oil of your choice, and you're good to go. As you can see, I used up all the conditioners that I needed for my hair, and I just applied the rest to the tips of my hair. So I'm just going to wrap my hair all up and cover with my good old polythene bag. You can also use a sling wrap or anything you have at your disposal that you're sure could help you generate heat from your body. You can generate heat into your hair strands and allow those deep conditioners to soak right into your hair. That will be all for today's video. I hope you learn one or two things on this video. Please do give this video a huge thumbs up, guys. Please like this video because it really helps to let YouTube know that you like my content, and also to pass it on to other people who can benefit from this. And also don't forget to share. If you're also yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button. Guys, it's free. You don't have to pay any money. They're not going to deduct any money from you. It's completely free. Hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I would love to get feedbacks from you guys if you're trying this out and also how you feel about it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.